Hello. Oh. Sige, pupunta kayo doon sa may gate 4. Doon sa dulo para doon namin kayo hintayin. Kami, on the way na. Naulan? Lakas ng ulan? Sige na. Gate 4. Gate 4. Malakas ang ulan. Rain, go away. Years in Qatar, now raining.
No. 3 years ago.
3 years.
Yeah.
3 years.
You nothing here.
No raining.
Flood here.
But when we are on Ethiopia, every day raining.
That time you Ethiopia.